Hello everybody. I just want to make a quick review of this NAKOOS magnifying clamp light that they sent us. It's about $35. I just want to say this product is it's pretty good. First off, the clamp itself. Not only is the clamp made of metal, so it's quite heavy duty. It's quite wide. I'd say there's about 2 inches of grip. But also the actual clamp part, it can be removed, turned, or as you can see here, put on the other side. So essentially this clamp can be used in essentially any angle with the lamp itself, which is pretty nice. And just the fact that it's made of metal is also pretty cool. It just feels beefy, tough, and like it's not gonna fall off. Now the light itself, it's kind of, I'd say it's pretty standard for these type of magnifying lamps, but what is nice is, for one, you can change the light color. You can make it kind of more white or yellowish, so you can cycle through the different color modes. So you can adjust the brightness to just slightly bright, much brighter. Obviously turn it on and off. It has the dual magnifying glasses inside, so one is 5x and the other is 10x. And I just want to say, for 35 bucks, this is a decent lamp light. And one thing I like about it is many of these lights, or like the magnifying lamps, the light itself is not very bright. It's more of a magnifying glass with a lamp attachment. And I think that this is actually a pretty decent lamp in itself. So if you're you don't need this very often, but you like to have a magnifying glass, I think this is a good buy. It's a decent, just a decent desk lamp. I think it's especially nice that you can change the colors to kind of be more pleasant to the eye. But all in all, for $35, I think this is an alright, pretty decent product. It's definitely a nice addition to any table, and if you ever are dealing with anything small, taking anything apart, or just want to play with the kids or have something to look at, I think it's a good buy. So yeah, check it out. It's the NAKOOS Magnifying Clamp Light.